Hi, my name is Gitika and I am going to share my weekly clear skincare routine. So first of all, I just wake up in the morning and drink lots of water, and then I just applied some scrub on my face and gently massage all over my face like using my fingertips, and then I just applied some moisturizer on my face, like lots of moisturizer, and start massaging my whole face, and then I just quickly shade my face if I have like super tiny hairs on my face, and then I just follow up my uh, main routine. For now, I want you to know that like I have like completely different YouTube channel name called Parenting, and where I upload cooking videos. So you can check it out if you want to know my recipes, what I make for my baby and for me. So now I just quickly shave my face, and then I just applied anti-dust gel skin gel on my face and apply it all over my face where I have pigmentation or dark spots on my face, and then using a clean cotton I just wipe it out. As you can see, lots of dirt, like a good amount of dirt, or I don't know what is it, like it looks bad. uh, it comes on the cotton ball. Now on the other side I will show you, like all of my face dirt will come out on the cotton ball. Now with the help of a clean damp towel I just wipe all over my face, and then I just simply wash my face with tap water. Now as you can see, my skin literally completely feels like super soft baby skin. I just wipe all the products on my face, like I have super clear clean skin. I love this time period of my whole routine. Like I just have baby soft clear skin. Now it's time for camera, like my baby stand out in front of me and like is saying hi bye to you. So please do subscribe to my channel if you like my content or want me to create such a good content. So see you in the next one. Tab tak ke liye bye bye.